Look in the mirror.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Brett.
And I'm Amanda.
Nice to meet you.
Hey. We are going to make you some dirt today.
So how do you start?
First, you take these Oreos and you beat the shit out of them.
Oh, okay. Use the head. Nicely. Oh, okay. Okay, that's enough. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, the pack is opening. There's cookie shit flying all over. Just squeeze real nice and tight, you know. Make sure the cream comes out of the cookies.
Oh yeah, that's real nice.
How crunchy should it have to be? Okay, you get working.
Like sand.
The next series
Like sand.
would be a half a stick of butter that we are going to have thaw. Now we need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese.
Your accent is slowly deteriorating, man.
Yeah, fuck you, man.
Maybe later with your cream.
TV humor.
That's quite a big spoon. Why is the cream cheese blue?
It's got a blue plate on the bottom.
Oh, I love the
okay.
cream cheese plates. They're very nice these days.
We're very
Do you
clean
remember
here
when
in
we were
Slippery
kids?
Rock.
Remember back to the old days when we didn't have the color TV?
Yeah. Now we need 1 cup of powdered sugar.
Oh.
We got the
Wow.
best. Flavor it. Assistant Amanda, will you please find me some scissors?
No?
Or Assistant Maureen? Thank
Hey,
you,
there's a garbage
Assistant
can.
Nate. Thank you, Assistant. Alright, that's easy enough, homeboy.
Suck a dick or something.
Okay.
Thank you, Assistant Amanda.
Music in the kitchen. With done.
Okay.
Okay. We'd be white
Right
faced.
how close is his eye?
We'd be white faced tonight. Hold on, you're going into the game.
the whole time when we got it.
Huh?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. We are white face.
Alright, now add
Black
the
meat.
Oreos.
It's floating.
What?
Add the Oreos.
Excuse me, miss. The cocaine on your face. May I get that? God.
Okay, back to the cooking show.
Okay, this cream cheese
Now
needs
we're
to be a
neat.
little bit softer.
We're gonna beat it with a beater. Okay, now we need 3½ cups of milk.
These cookies are still not ready. These powders flying all over the place.
Holy shit, milk.
Holy shit.
I didn't think we needed this much. 1 other ½ cup. Powder in my face keeps flying.
Look.
Oh, okay.
While you're
Mix.
down there. Oh, look, I'm done. You got a little on your face.
Oopsies, I'll get it later. This looks delicious, doesn't it? Milk, powder, sugar, and cream cheese.
Who knew you could milk a mouse?
When they're staring. Yeah, like when the camera, like,
That is
Oh,
when they're staring at.
We had an accident.
Assistant Maureen, come eat them off the floor while you're down there.
I shook them up a little too much and it just exploded in my face.
We're gonna need to make some pudding. Oh, wait. Do we just put the instant pudding boxes in there?
We're gonna need to make some pudding.
Or do we just put the pudding in there, or do we make pudding first?
I don't know, but I seem to be stepping on these
Read
corners.
directions to the bottom.
Okay, we need to mix this first.
Oh,
Where is
okay.
the mixer, everybody?
Behind you.
Oh, okay.
She's one of the best. She uses
Slippery Rock University, right here.
rock on.
Rock Pride.
Okay.
Excuse me, Assistant Nate, where is the closest outlet?
Behind you. Oh, excuse me.
I'm just
Sir. Did we say you could move our desks? our workbench? The cook never knows what is in there. Well, just one thing, If you could shoot a cookie out of your...
We're waiting.
I'm better your cookie
We
making
have to
ass.
beat this first.
What you beating?
You wouldn't you like to know.
Free samples. Maureen?
Oh my gosh, this goes everywhere. It's over.
Oh my god.
How do you do
I did.
You're doing something.
It's on the cooking show. Stir.
This
Stirring. It's a cooking show.
What are you making? This isn't the right thing. I think this is really wrong.
Oh, it's not. You add stuff after.
What kind of dirt are you making? This is so wrong.
Okay. No, it's not. It says butter, cream cheese, and powdered sugar. Okay, we added the milk first. That is okay though. Yeah. Okay. Mix the pudding together with the milk. Add the Cool Whips. And just add the mixtures of these.
No.
Yes, you do.
Mix pudding together with the milk and add the cream whip to pudding mixture.
You just added it all. It does still work though.
Mix pudding together with the milk and the cream whip to pudding mixture. That's wrong.
Okay.
Cooking with douchebags.
Hey, I've never made dirt before.
Well, you're never gonna make it again.
You're still not gonna make it tonight.
No, just put it in there.
Just put it in there. Jackie will be like,
Jackie would try. That's all it counts.
This is what she wanted.
yeah. This is what she's gonna get.
Don't add eggs.
This is.
Come on, man. There's no eggs in that.
Oh yes, there's.
No. It's magic pudding. You put it in and it's white, and you put it in, it turns yellow. It's like that doesn't look good at all.
Fuck you.
I mean, what is that?
It looks fine.
And I was like, what the fuck is that?
This is gonna be a soupy